Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix Microsoft Teams that cannot join or sign in. So it sometimes looks like this or other way around. And what you will do if you encounter this kind of issue is you will close your Teams immediately. And after that, you will just have to clear your Teams cache by pressing Windows and R at the same time, and then you will enter percentage, which is percentage and app data, and then go ahead and browse for Microsoft Teams, and then you will just have to delete the cache, index DB, and application cache folders. And after all that, you will just have to restart Teams and try signing in again. And by the way, you have to ensure that your internet connection is stable. And if this error persists, you will just have to uninstall your Teams and then download the latest version from Microsoft. And again, you will just have to reinstall it. And then you could also check your Microsoft account credentials and two-factor authentication if enabled. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.